and
Yes.
lining up to get our questions in for Ask the Meteorologist.
We need more questions. We are in need of more questions, so anything weather related, you know I love answering them. Head to our website and ask us.
Maybe you've just answered all the questions. Maybe there's no more questions left.
There's plenty.
There are no more questions thanks to you. You've answered everyone's
You know what? There's so many
questions.
different topics with weather. I could go
Okay.
on forever, but I won't. Here's the question. How does the snow form from rain and change back to snow? Emily, you have asked this question from Parkside Elementary. Well, first I'll start off with just telling you how we get snow to begin with. You're looking at the layers of our atmosphere vertically, the temperature profile of our atmosphere. Most precipitation starts off falling as snow, and when temperatures are near or below freezing, throughout much of the atmosphere, that snow makes it to the ground. With rain, it's a little different. It'll start off falling as snow, and then it'll pass through a warm layer. Typically, this is near the surface. Temperatures are above freezing, and that snow will melt to the form of rain, and that's what we see on the surface. But in the question that you've asked, sometimes this can happen. It'll start off falling as snow, and then it will melt, and then transfer over to rain. And then once it reaches the surface, if there's cold enough air at the surface and that layer is deep enough, that rain can then refreeze into the form of snow. And this is also how we get sleet and freezing rain. It just has to do with the different layers of the atmosphere, how warm and how cold are they, and how deep are they. Depending on their depth, we'll get one precipitation type or another. Emily, thank you for your question. If you have a question, head to our website. Megan, Seth, and I love answering your questions every week. Again, we are in need of more questions. And if I answer your question on air, you get a free backpack. Awesome, right? I'll be right back after the break with your full forecast.